Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. Welcome to the very first Minute Monday video where I provide tips and tricks for the party rental industry in about 1 minute. Today I want to talk about online booking. We're big fans of online booking. Now I know old habits die hard and some veterans of the industry have been a bit hesitant to take online orders, but we support multiple companies doing more than $1 million a year in sales, and they're taking most of their orders online. Now, ERS has a user-friendly, drag-and-drop mobile responsive website builder you can use to make a beautiful, modern-looking website with real-time online booking. And if you've already got a website, you can bring it right over and have access to our industry-leading online booking and rental management features. So let's take a quick look at one of our customers' WordPress website. We can see they're using our WordPress plugin to take online orders, and if we take a quick peek under the hood, we can see they've already taken in almost $700 today. Not bad for a Monday in March. Since all they had to do was follow the simple instructions here, their WordPress integration took about 5 minutes. So again, we're big fans of online booking as it automates one of your most time-consuming tasks. Trust me, any concerns you have will melt away when you wake up to money in your bank account. And that's just the tip of the iceberg as far as how you can automate your tasks and grow your sales. For instance, you can set up a loyalty program you can use to retarget your customers and generate repeat business, and even better if it's automated. So we've created a video tutorial on loyalty programs, so you can feel free to watch it by clicking on the link in the upper left-hand corner up here. And please also feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the link in the upper right-hand corner up here, so you never miss out on any of these tips and tricks. Thanks for watching Minute Monday, and we'll see you soon.